everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, the Qwabe Twins caught many of their followers by surprise after they attended uMkhosi woMhlanga enyokeni kwaNongoma. 23-year-old Virginia and Vici posted their pictures and videos on social media wearing their traditional attires, holding uMhlanga like all other maidens. People were surprised that the Qwabe Twins are still virgins guys, taking into consideration the environment they're exposed in. As we all know, the influence that comes with fame, but it seems as if all that didn't change the Qwabe Twins at all. They have set the standard very high guys, and I'm sure many young girls are looking up to them, and they were encouraged by their presence uMkhosi woMhlanga. Guys, we all make our choices in life, and the twin decided to keep their purity until they are ready. Israelis tried to contact them, but their phones were off. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Are you surprised or you were expecting that? Bye.